The Airbus A380 has a 2,900-meter takeoff length at maximum weight at sea level, ISA plus 15-degree conditions, and a 35,000-foot initial cruising altitude. The aircraft complies with ICAO noise emission limitations for overflying, approach, and side-on operations, as well as the tighter takeoff and landing regulations of London Heathrow airports. This makes nighttime flight operations possible. 10 fuel tanks totaling 320,000 liters of fuel are present. Look at this big boy go. The noise it makes is exhilarating. I mean, this thing is cooking and it's heavy. That's crazy. Yep, and then they fold in. And there she goes.